Today I will explain exercise 1A. Question number 1. 108 identical books have a mass of 30 kg. Find the mass of 150 such books, the number of such books that have a mass of 20 kg. So the question is given 108 identical books. So the number of books are 108, have a mass of 30 kg, and the mass is given. Find the mass of 150 such books. Another set of books, that is 150. For that one you have to find the mass. And number 2, the number of such books that have a mass of 20 kg. And for the second option, the mass has been changed, and then you have to find the number of books. So let's go to the solution. This is direct proportion, so we have to construct our equation with the direct proportion. This is number 1. Exercise 1A. Number 1. What are given? The condition is given. The number of books is directly proportional to the mass of the books. The condition is given, the number of books is directly proportional to the mass of the books. So now we have to write what are given. Number of books, let it be x1, 108. In the mass is given, let it be y2, y1, equals 30 kg. In the number question is asked about the number of books for question number 1. If you observe the question again, the mass of 150 such books. So for number 1, the number of books is given. Let it be x2, 150. Now the question is, what is the mass of 150 books? So the changed mass is y2. This is the question. Now by using proportional method, we get the equation. By using proportional method, which method we are using here? We are using here proportional method. We get, by using proportional method, we get the equation. By using the proportional method, we get the equation. This is the equation of proportional. When you are getting two quantities are proportional, then we may write this equation. Now, if you use all the values over here, x1 is given 108 and the mass is given 30 kg. So instead of y1, we may incorporate 30. And what is x2? 150. For 150 books, you have to get the mass. Yt is unknown. We can write the equation for y2. y2 equals 150 by 30. 150 multiplies with 30. If you do the cross multiplication, then you will get so 150 multiplied with 30. If you do the cross multiplication, then you will get this equation and divided by 108. Now by using your calculator, you will get 41.666, and if you round off the value, then you will get 61.67. and what would be the unit? This is the mass of the books, so unit would be kg. So this is the answer. By using proportional method, you will get the equation, then you can solve this. Now go to the number 2. The question number 2, the number of such books that have a mass of 20 kg. So for in this case, mass is given and then you have to find the number of books. So mass. For the question, given number of books x1 and mass y1. So for the second term, you will have to get y2. Mass y2 is given, that is 20 kg, and then you have to find the number of books. X2 equals what? Again, by using the proportional method, we get the equation. Method, we get the equation. So this is called proportional method. Proportional method, we get the equation. Same equation you have to write again. And paste it. And which values you are getting here, just incorporate all the values in this equation and solve for x2. The first option, the first was for y2. Now you have to get x2. x1 is 108. This is same. y1 is also 30 kg, and now y2 is given here. In this case, y2 is given, that is 20 kg, and you have to find x2. Now solve the equation for x2. X of equals to, if you do the cross multiplication, then you will get 108 multiplied with 20 divided by 30. That is 108 multiplied with 20 and divided by 30. By using your calculator, you will get, these are indicating the number of books. So x2 indicates the number of books. By using your calculator, you will get the values, and this is 72. 72 units you have to write books. This is the answer. This is the answer. So this is proportional method, and this is the equation of proportionality. By using this equation, you will have to solve the sum. I hope you understand. Thank you.